Hi everyone, dear students, welcome back to today's session. Today I am going to take up a new lesson, that is a game of chance, which is from 6th standard Honeysuckle book. Dear students, this is a lesson about the festival of Eid Milad, which is celebrated by Muslim in India. How this festival is taking place in small village of the country. What are the main specialities of the Eid Milad, that we are going to discuss in this lesson. Okay, let us begin the lesson. Every year, on the occasion of Eid, there was a pair in our village. Here, the young boy is narrating the story. He told, every year on the occasion of Eid, there was a pair in our village. Eid was celebrated only one day, but the pair lasted many days. He said, Eid was celebrated only one day, but it lasted for many days. Lasted means remained for many days. Next, tradesmen from far and wide came there with all kinds of goods to sell. In this festival, a tradesman came from different places of the nation. They came there to sell their goods. Next one. You could buy anything from small pin to a big buffalo. Means in this festival you can buy anything from small to big one. Okay, next one. Uncle took me the pair. Bhaiya. The young boy's uncle took him to the festival with his elder brother Bhaiya. All of them went to the festival of Eid Milad. Who worked for us at home came with us. There was a big crowd at the fair. When they went towards the fair, where they saw a big crowd at the fair. Dear students, you might have experienced in your own villages when the fair is going on. Absolutely, you see a huge crowd in the festival. Like that, here all of them saw a big crowd at the fair. Uncle was leading us through the crowd when he met a few of his friends. Uncle was leading us through the crowd when he met a few of his friends. They wanted him to spend some time with them. When their uncle met his friends, he wanted to spend some time with his friends. Okay, next. Uncle asked me whether I would like to look around the fair with Bhaiya till he came back. Uncle said to the young boy, what he said, he has to be with Bhaiya till he came back. I was happy to do that. Uncle warned me neither to buy anything nor to go too far out while he was away. I promised that I would wait for him. Uncle warned to the young boy, neither to buy anything nor to go out anywhere when he was away. For that, the boy promised that I would wait for him. Okay, so this is about today's class. Dear students, I hope you have understood what I am telling. Remaining part we shall continue in the next class. Thank you for watching this video. Have a beautiful day.